If you could bring your wildest 3D animation dreams to life without the hefty price tag or years of experience, do you want to make cool 3D animations without any trouble? If you ever wanted to try animation but thought it was too hard, think again. With new AI technology, making great animations is now very easy. Today, I'll show you how to create amazing 3D animations using AI, so stay with me and let's get started. Today, I will use the AI animation maker Reelcraft AI to create a 3D animation. AI animation generator app Reelcraft AI is not just for animations, it's a full video storytelling AI text-to-animation tool. You can make any kind of storytelling video in different styles for various purposes. I'll put the link in the description, so you can go there and create an account. After you log in, your screen will look like this. This is our AI Animation Studio video creation page. At the bottom, you will see some featured videos. You can watch these for inspiration. Let's start creating animations with AI video. First, we need to enter the idea or script for our video in this box. For example, I want to make a 3D animation about the friendship between a girl and her pet puppy. Let's create a story using ChatGPT. After logging into ChatGPT, go to the prompt box and type, "Could you please write an excellent and engaging short story about the great friendship between a girl and her puppy?" And here it is. You can see that ChatGPT has generated an amazing story for us. Copy the story and paste it into the AI video animator software Reelcraft script or prompt box. After you enter the script, you need to pick the graphics type. You will see 3 choices: 4K image, 4K animation, and 3D animation. Since I want to make a 3D animated video, I am choosing 3D animation. Next, we choose the music. You can use the default background music for your video, or you can upload custom music here. Suno AI is one of the best AI music generators. To learn more about Suno AI, you can watch this video by clicking the I button. After setting the music, choose an aspect ratio. Right now, you can create videos in 9:16 and 16:9 aspect ratios on Reelcraft. Next, choose the voiceover. You can either select a voice actor to generate a voiceover from the script or upload your recorded voiceover. I will use the animation AI generator Reelcraft voiceover. Listen to the voice actors and then select the best one.
Change in all things is sweet.
Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile.
Rather regret the thing.
Work while you have the light.
Love is like the wind. You can't see it.
She said slowly and softly.
Genius is 1% inspiration.
Don't settle for a relationship that won't let.
I think this one is perfect for me. After choosing the voiceover, select the content type. You can choose from options like concept explanations, stories, historical, travel blogs, biographies, wishes, quotes, or thoughts. Since I'm making a story video, I'll choose stories. Next, choose a style. You'll find various 3D animation styles here. I think Toon Me will be perfect for me. After selecting the style, choose your content visibility. If you select public, other users can find and download your video. I will choose private. Once everything is set, click the create button. The video will take some time to generate. Let's skip ahead to the finished product. And here it is, our video is ready.
Once upon a time in the charming town of Meadowbrook lived a spirited girl named Lily. With her twinkling blue eyes and auburn hair that danced in the wind, she was a bundle of joy and curiosity. Lily had just turned 10. And for her birthday, she received the most wonderful gift she could imagine.
I think it looks great. The visuals are relevant, the voiceover is impressive, and the Suno AI background music fits perfectly with our video. If you think the video needs some changes, you can customize the script, visuals, captions, and voiceover. Everything is adjustable. First, go to the Story tab to customize the story and characters. This is our story. If you want to edit it, click the Edit button. Since I used a pre-written story, I won't be customizing it. However, if you created the story with text-to-animation AI Reelcraft and need to make changes, you can do that here. At the bottom, you'll see the characters from your story. There are 2 characters here, each with their own traits. If you need to customize a character, you can do it from this section. You can also create a new character if needed. However, since the characters in our story are already set, I'm skipping this step. Next, go to the storyboard settings where you'll see all the scenes. You can preview each scene and make any necessary adjustments. On the right side of the preview panel, you'll find the prompt for the video. To customize a scene, click on the pencil icon and then adjust the prompt as needed. Once you're done, hit the Save button and then click Regenerate. Here are the newly generated video clips. At the bottom of the preview panel, you'll see the voiceover section. You can change the text here. If you want to make any custom changes, do that first. Afterward, you can select a different voice actor or upload your own audio for this scene. When you're finished, click the Save button. If you want to add a new image to the scene, you can do that here. You have 3 choices: create an animation from a text prompt, upload an image from your device, or search for stock images. Next, you can add new scenes to your video. First, choose the number for the new scene. Then, type the voiceover text in the box provided. After that, add the animation series. You can either upload images or type a prompt in the box. If you want to add multiple visual segments, click on the plus icon and then upload an image or type a prompt. When you're done, click the Save button. You'll see that a new scene has been added. To delete a scene, just select it and click the Delete Scene button. At the end, you can edit the music. To change the volume of the current music, move this slider. If you want to add new music, upload it here. I think the music is fine for me, so I'll skip this step. Once everything is set, click the Regenerate button. Your new customized video will be ready. But there's one thing missing: captions. Don't worry, we can add captions automatically. Before we do that, let's check out some other editing features of AI animation generator free online Reelcraft. Click on Edit Video from here. You'll see options to add overlay images and text. To add an overlay image, select this option and upload your chosen image. To add overlay text, drag the cursor to where you want the text to appear and click on Add Overlay Text. A new text box will show up on the video. Click on the text box to customize it. You can change the text and adjust the size, color, and font. When you're done, click the Save button. Click on the Back to Video button to return to the video page. To generate captions, click on the Edit Caption button. A pop-up will appear. First, choose the alignment for the caption text. Since I'm making a landscape video, the bottom option works best. If you're making a portrait video, use the center alignment. Now, if you want to edit the caption text, you can do it here. Next, choose a caption template. You can also change the font, color, and size of the caption text. When you're done, click the Save button. AI cartoon video generator Reelcraft will take some time to finish the process. Let's fast forward this part. Here it is. Our video is ready. To download the video, click the Download button. Our video is now saved on our device. Let's have a look.
Once upon a time in the charming town of Meadowbrook lived a spirited girl named Lily. With her twinkling blue eyes and auburn hair that danced in the wind, she was a bundle of joy and curiosity. Lily had just turned 10, and for her birthday, she received the most wonderful gift she could imagine: a fluffy, golden retriever puppy named Max. Max was a bundle of energy with a heart full of love. From the moment they met, Lily and Max became inseparable. They spent their days exploring the meadows, playing fetch, and sharing secrets under the big oak tree in the backyard. Every morning, Max would wake Lily up with gentle licks on her cheek, and they would start their day with a run through the fields. Max had a knack for finding the most beautiful flowers, which Lily would gather into a bouquet and place on the kitchen table. One sunny afternoon, as Lily and Max were wandering through the woods near their home, they discovered a hidden path they had never seen before. Excitedly, they followed it and found a secluded, magical glen. In the center of the glen was an ancient, wise-looking tree. Its branches stretched wide, and its trunk was carved with symbols that looked like stories waiting to be told. Lily and Max felt an inexplicable connection to the tree. As seasons changed, their bond only grew stronger. During the winter, they would cuddle by the fireplace, Max's warmth keeping Lily cozy as she read stories of faraway lands. One crisp autumn day, as they were playing in the glen, Lily noticed that Max seemed more tired than usual. He no longer chased the leaves with the same enthusiasm, and his eyes seemed to carry a wisdom beyond his years. That night, Lily's parents explained that Max was getting older, and that he might not have much time left. Lily's heart ached at the thought of losing her best friend, but she was determined to make the most of every moment they had left. Days turned into weeks, and as winter approached, Max's condition worsened. Lily never left his side, comforting him with her presence and showering him with love. On a quiet winter night, with snow gently falling outside, Max peacefully passed away in Lily's arms. Lily was heartbroken, But she knew that Max had lived a life full of love and adventure. She buried him in the glen, under their special tree, and planted a circle of flowers around his resting place. The glen became a place of remembrance and solace for Lily. She would visit it often, sharing her thoughts and dreams with Max, knowing he was always with her in spirit. Years passed, and Lily grew up, but the bond she shared with Max remained a cherished memory. She often returned to the glen, now a beautiful, flourishing sanctuary. The tree, once ancient and wise, now bore a carving of a girl and her dog, forever immortalizing their friendship. Lily's heart healed, but she always cherished the unconditional love and joy of true friendship Max had given her. And so, in the town of Meadowbrook, the story of Lily and Max, the girl and her puppy, became a legend, a testament to the unbreakable bond of true friendship.
I think it's a great 3D animated storytelling video. With AI 3D animation generator Reelcraft, you can create storytelling videos like this in just a few minutes. You can make videos in any style and for any purpose, not just 3D animation. Now, let's talk about the cost. When you first log in, you get 125 credits for free. After that, the basic plan costs $10 per month, and the pro plan costs $20 per month. Alright friends, I'll conclude our video now. Before I go, I'd love to hear your thoughts about creating a 3D animated film with AI. Share your opinions and results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. If you want to watch Hedra AI tutorial make AI influencer photo talking singing avatar for free AI image to video, click on left. If you're interested in the how to face swap any video using AI, best deepfake change face tool 2024, easy tutorial, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.